Welcome to a room of soft light, adjustable privacy, and a whole lot of comfortable. Welcome to Honeycomb Shades. The energy-efficient design helps reduce heating and cooling bills, while the fabric absorbs sound for a more pleasing atmosphere. No matter what your window type or room decor, there are multiple cell styles available to complement most every window size and shape. Honeycomb shades beautifully coordinate your windows and doors, too. Choose from light filtering and blackout opacities for optimal light control. And choose from a full range of options that include convenient and child-safe cordless selections, like cordless lift and lock. Plus, innovative products such as Dimensions, with a unique cascading profile. Or the incredibly flexible Tri-Light shades. Versatility is the name of the game with soft, stylish Honeycomb shades.